Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Another Nikola Corporation update. So, by the way, this did qualify technically as a divergency, much higher high with this gap open. There's not much you could have done with it. Slightly low RSI reading, but there's not much you could do with it except on very short-term charts, and it did plummet all the way down. We did an update earlier today to the 50% retracement level, which is very key, one we really focus on. If you watch our videos, and into the 1 hour rotation zone, and then moving back up strongly, retesting end of the day, the 1 hour rotation zone again, coming in about 77.50. So tomorrow, be watching this key low right here. If we break below that low 77, then we'll start watching. We got minor at 75, but the major area we'll be watching is about 64 to 66. 64 to 66 is the major support level we'll be watching based off the 1 hour chart. Now I also have the GAM projections on the most recent swing and the longer term swing. So if we get above 89, we'll be watching for 93, then 97. Above 97, again, everybody be focused on the 100. We'll be watching 102.81 and 111.95 to the upside. Taking a look at the 4 hour chart, very overextended from the rotation zone. See coming down, you can see how the rotation zone was on the 4 hour right by that low. Now the key area tomorrow, if it does get below that 64 area, right below it is the 4 hour rotation zone coming in about 61.75. So you got between 61.75 and 66 support zones based off the 1 hour and 4 hour. If we get back into the 4 hour rotation zone, again, 57 area with the 50% retracement, but then the major area then is the 62.5% retracement, followed by the bottom of the rotation zone coming in about 45 to 48. So those are the key areas you'll be watching for the next move down if we do close into the 4 hour rotation zone. Daily chart, this thing's just hugely overextended, and the daily rotation zone coming in at 49 just in front of that. So these are all your key levels. Remember, the daily levels have more weight than the 4 hours, and the 4 hour has more weight at the 1 hour. We don't normally do a lot on the 1 hour, but since we have to follow that based off the stock movement, that's the one we're watching in the short term. Remember, this is a highly speculative stock. There's no fundamentals to support it. Okay, this is just trading pure momentum, and in some ways, it's a lot of gambling. You have to be very fast. You have to know your levels very well. It's not for the average person to trade. More of, I'm doing this because it's gone vertical, and what goes up vertically tends to come down vertically. We don't know if the top's been put in, based off still price action, market stuff. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing at least attempted to trade above 100. But again, you're not investing in this company. You're just trading the momentum, and you have to be very careful. And if you don't know how to do that, and you're not quick, and I would not put a ton of money in this. You got to really manage your risk. This thing can come crashing back down as fast as it went up. So, and if it's moving fast, even if you have stops, if they get triggered at the market, you can get filled a lot lower than you think you get filled. So just keep that in mind and be very safe. More covering this as a public service, because we're not pumping the stock. This is just an insane thing that's popped up on the radar. Just like Virgin Galactic did for a while when it went vertical, and Tesla when it went vertical. This is just another stock that's gone vertical and is attracting a whole bunch of people. That's what we have for you. Be safe, trade smart, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.